description. You already know what this is about. This is how I installed my decal sticker and stuff. Please stay tuned for more mods, DIYs from Cake. Before we start, let's go ahead and give it a cold start. Actually, I haven't started since the last, it's been like about 2 weeks since the last video. I haven't started at all since I installed the intake. So let's hear what it sounds like. Let's go. Sounds great. So, let's get into it. So I got it on there, but it is going down. It's a little crooked. So I will be removing this. Gonna be ordering another Armani RT Plus YouTube sticker, but this time I'm gonna get it in red instead of white. And I might get it a little bit bigger. Okay. Hey, give me a thumbs up for trying. Okay, next I'm gonna be adding my wicker bill to my spoiler. Alright, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mods. It's not that bad though.